Psalm 17. Vindication and Shadowed Refuge. Hear a just cause, O Lord, attend unto my cry. Give ear unto my prayer, that goeth out not of feigned lips. Let my sentence come forth from thy presence. Let thine eyes behold the things that are upright. Thou hast proved mine heart. Thou hast visited me in the night. Thou hast tried me, and shalt find nothing. I am purposed that my mouth shall not transgress. Concerning the works of men, by the word of thy lips, I have kept away from the paths of the destroyer. Hold up my goings in thy paths, that my footsteps slip not. I have called upon thee, for thou wilt hear me, O God. Incline thine ear unto me, and hear my speech. Show thy marvelous loving kindness, O thou that savest by thy right hand, them which put their trust in thee, from those that rise up against them. Keep me as the apple of the eye. Hide me under the shadow of thy wings. From the wicked that oppress me, from my deadly enemies who compass me about. They are enclosed in their own fat. With their mouth they speak proudly. They have now compassed us in our steps. They have set their eyes bowing down to the earth. Like a lion that is greedy of his prey, and as it were a young lion lurking in secret places. Arise, O Lord, disappoint him, cast him down. Deliver my soul from the wicked, which is thy sword, from men which are thy hand, O Lord, from men of the world, which have their portion in this life, and whose belly thou fillest with thy hid treasure. They are full of children, and leave the rest of their substance to their babes. As for me, I will behold thy face in righteousness. I shall be satisfied when I awake in thy likeness. Devotional Meditation. Psalm 17 is the plea of a heart proven by night trial, one who has remained faithful and now seeks divine vindication. It is a psalm of the hidden path, the secret refuge, and the sacred cry. Hide me under the shadow of thy wings. Here the speaker is encircled by enemies, yet does not waver. This psalm speaks for those who walk uprightly, when no one sees, and who long not for this world's riches, but to behold God's face. It is often used by intercessors and martyrs who cry not for revenge, but for God's righteous judgment and nearness. Invocation of Activation. Righteous Judge, I have been searched and known. Let my vindication arise from your throne. Cover me in your wings until the shaking passes. I shall be satisfied with your face. Amen.